Hello guys, good evening. I'm here now in Dubai Mall to go to the Nike to claim the SB Dunk Low Chicago. I won in the raffle, so we're going there now. See you in a little bit.
What's up mga amigo, this is Hypebeans channel. Welcome to my another vlog. Today we're going to do unboxing and review of my latest pickup sneaker. So this shoe is very hype. So before I got this shoe, I entered the raffle or registration last September 2. And fortunately, I got chosen as one of the lucky one to be able to cop this shoe. So September 3, I got this shoe in Dubai Mall at the Nike store there, and with the help of YOLO family or YOLOtv, my good friend Raymar. So shout out to him. So let's see the shoe and do the unboxing. As you can see, I left the box, the purple color box. So this is my first time to buy Nike SB shoe or sneakers for skateboarders. So not only this is the most awaited shoe release of the SB Dunk Low Pro, and the colorway is Chicago. Not only that the skateboarders are waiting for this one, but also for the basketball enthusiasts like me. So let's check the box. Here you can see the Nike SB logo. And on the side, you can see Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and this is size 11, which is my size. And the other side, another Nike SB logo, and the typical trademarks of the shoes on the back side. So let's open the. Let's do this way. So the receipt is here. So I got this shoe for only 449 dirhams or around 6,000 pesos. And open this one. Ta-da! So this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Chicago. The reason why it's called Chicago is it looks like same color with the Chicago Bulls jersey, the home jersey of the Chicago Bulls, which is red, black, and white. So if you are a Jordan fanatic, if you have a Jordan 1 shoe, this is how it looks like, the Jordan 1 Chicago. Only this is a low, so the OG is on the high side. So let's check the shoe, 360 view of the shoe. So here, let's go first. You can see the black swoosh. Okay. And a white toe with a black shoelace. And on the tongue, you can see the Nike SB logo. So the tongue is like a fat, soft cushion material. And on the side, on the heel part, there you can see the Nike, which is color black. And on the sole, you can see another Nike SB logo. So here in UAE, this shoe is very hype. I can see a lot of resellers selling this for around 3,000 dirhams to 4,000 dirhams. So that's like 40,000 to 50,000 pesos. And on the StockX before the release of this one, you can see this goes around $600 to $900, and it can go up. So we'll see what we will do with this shoe, because this is very high, very hype. I might sell this shoe and look for another one to buy. So let's see. And I'm so happy for the shoe that I was able to cut the shoe, and also this is my very first time to have a Nike SB shoe. So we will not do the unfit of this shoe because I don't want to fit this shoe, because I'm planning to sell this shoe. So that's it, guys. So for all of you sneakerheads, watch out if I'm gonna post it, especially those one who are in UAE. So I'm gonna be selling this shoe. And one more thing, I'm not a reseller, and maybe this is my first or second time to sell a shoe, but I'm planning to sell this shoe because of the market price, and I'm a huge fan of Jordan shoes. So I'm not really a skateboarder. So although this looks like very comfortable to wear, so that's it. I'm just saying. This shoe is so hyped that they made you wear this shoe if you get this shoe on the store, and they will make you wear this shoe, and you can only remove the shoe once you get out of the store. So this is how hype is this shoe, and they are avoiding for those resellers. But of course, if you buy this shoe, they cannot prevent you for whatever you want to do with this shoe. So that's just for them, the mechanics for them, or they know how the market price of this shoe. So I'm not against about the resellers as long as they follow the mechanics and the rules and policy of the store. So that's it, the sharing. Thank you for watching. For more review and unboxing, please click the notification bell of my channel for you to get updated every time I upload a new video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. This is Hypebeast channel saying goodbye and God bless. I just want to flex the shoebox that I got from unggoi in Ajman. So I got this only for 50 dirhams. So if you're planning to do a customized like this one, it will cost you around 1,500 to 2,000 dirhams. So I got this at very cheap, although this is not new because I got this from unggoi, but I'm very happy to get this one. Let's see. How it looks like. Later on, I'm gonna be doing some design of this box to look more appealing. So thank you.
Zombie apocalypse.